healing grow.
We are going on the record in the matter of David Minor Reed, 222322.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Shepard, you bring me up my client who coaches and stands.
Thank you. And your name, sir?
David Minor Reed.
All right, thank you. Today is the date scheduled for the probation violation. Mr. Minor Reed is on probation for assault and battery, and it's alleged that you tested positive for alcohol on August 8th, and this would be technical violation number 2.
Yes, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to review the allegations of my client's right to a hearing that will not be necessary. We are ready to proceed.
All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this matter the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you heard the three that your attorney placed on the record, correct?
Yes.
As to the allegation you tested positive for alcohol on August 8th, how do you plead? You got over your advice of rights for probation violation purposes, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood all of those rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
The recommendations for you to continue to complete all terms of probation, revoke under advisement status, pay a $50 probation violation fee, attend outpatient, and 30 days on the alcohol tether.
Yes.
You understand that's only a recommendation. This court does not have to follow that recommendation in full. We only follow it in part or otherwise. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You also understand that by entering into a plea, you'll be waiving your right to having a contested hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
And despite knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea.
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything, threaten you, or coerce you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
Counsel, you can please provide to your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to August 8th, 2023. As ordered by probation, did you submit yourself to a test for drugs and alcohol? Yes. And on that date, did it indicate the use of alcohol? Yes. Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violation. Indicate technical violation number 2. And counsel asks for the recommendation.
Your Honor, I respect the request to be adopted. I had a conversation with my client as to the use of the alcohol. He indicated, and he did show me a variety of different medicines that he was taking that did in fact have alcohol in it, but I told him that it does not matter whether he had alcohol on purpose, on accident, through medicine, or through a beer. If these tests are designed to reflect whether sobriety is being maintained. I saw the terms and conditions. I believe they are appropriate. Obviously, going forward, he understands that any sort of other violations, no matter what the reason, could have strict and non-harsher consequences. Based on that recommendation, Judge, I ask that the take into consideration and adopted by the court. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Sir, on the date of your offense, you have consumed poison alcohol.
Yes, Your Honor.
And as a condition of your probation, this court indicated for you not to use any alcohol.
Yeah.
Did you think that I wasn't serious?
Oh, I understand, but I know that the date that I felt the second violation, I was taking medication around that time.
What medication?
Well, I was burnt at work, I had 3rd-degree burns. I was taking a cream that silver sulfate cream that contained alcohol in it. I had allergy problems. I was taking Benadryl and NyQuil around that time too.
Did you notify your probation officer at any point, sir, regarding your medication that you began taking?
No, Your Honor, I didn't think that I had to for like cough medicine or medicine or anything.
Yes, sir. You need to notify your probation officer anytime you begin any medication. This is on your second alcohol violation of probation.
Yes.
Your last one, you just pled guilty July 24th, and then 2 weeks later, you're testing positive again for alcohol.
Right.
And so, do you have your prescription cream?
I don't have like with me, but it's at home.
What is the name of the cream?
Silver sulfate.
Silver sulfate?
And Judge, it does look like it has zero alcohol in it, but again, we're not having a hearing in which we're contesting that was due to medicine, it was a violation. He understands ramifications. It's really, why we're not trying to push it beyond the hearing. because at the end of the day, it was the result that ultimately brought him here for the violation. But he did show me the medicine that did have alcohol in it, but it's irrelevant for the purposes of today's proceeding.
Well, and I can appreciate that, counsel. However, the concern this court has is that this is now your client's second alcohol-related violation. Just 2 weeks after the last time this court accepted your client's plea of guilty, and his initial charge was based upon his intoxication. And so I have serious concerns that your client cannot use alcohol. Sir, you have seasonal allergies?
Well, it was just a cold, like my kids get sick and that's all.
You said you had allergies.
Yeah, like I was taking like allergy medicine, like in the morning, like Benadryl, like clear my nose.
Sir, in the event you don't think that I'm serious, if you have any other violation, it's mandatory jail. Do you understand that?
That's right.
Medicine, topical cream, anything, it's mandatory jail. If for some reason you have something prescribed to you, then you need to submit that to probation.
That's right.
And if you read your entire documents, all of your documents that you receive from probation, you will see that you cannot use any medication that contains alcohol. If you're prescribed something that contains alcohol, you must provide that to probation.
That's right.
So I'm going to indicate that you're continuing to complete all terms of probation. We're revoking your under advisement status. $50 probation violation fee, 30 days on the alcohol tether. You're to attend outpatient treatment. The court's going to also indicate 10 days jail. I'm going to suspend that with a jail review. If you're tested today, sir, what's in your system?
Nothing, Your Honor.
The jail review will be October 10th at 9 a.m. You have the alcohol tether today. Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Please go see probation, and somebody will be with you shortly, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day.
Hand me my screen box.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you hear it?
No, no.
Okay.
I have no patience for that. And trust me, out of the day, I'm sitting up here, I'm the one that needs the drink.